Go.
Hey brothers and sisters, Kim Samples. I know it's been a while since I did my AT&T video, how I was very disappointed in them. So I've done some research and I've come up with my new plan. Here it is, Mint Mobile. Some of you probably heard of it, or a lot of you heard of it. Some of you may not have heard of it. But anyway, I've used it now for approximately probably 6 months and find no problems with it at all. So, I mean, as far as connecting, and now this is in my area. I'm in the Dallas Metroplex, so I have no problems with it. I signed up for a 4 gigabyte plan. It's and I did the 12-month plan, so 12 months at 5 gigabytes is $15 a month, which makes it $180 for the year. So I signed up for the whole year. Now they have different plans, and I've got my, let me do my phone here. I had to get a different phone. I don't know if y'all remember, but I got a Norte 1, I think's what it is, or Norte 1 or something. Anyway, they've got, let me let you zoom in on this, and you can see the different plans they have available. They've got 3 gigabytes, or 4 gigabytes, I guess 4 gigabytes is what I have, per month for $15 a month. Then they've got the 10 gigabytes for $20 a month. You got $25 for 15 gigabytes, and $30 for unlimited gigabytes. Now, of course, when we're here at the house, we use our Wi-Fi, so the phone's hooked up to the Wi-Fi so that we're not using any data then. So the only time I'm using data is if I'm out driving somewhere and we're not by our home Wi-Fi. So far, this has been a super deal compared to AT&T. I put my phone on here. I got my wife the same phone and the same plan. So we've got 2 phones. So for $360 a year, which AT&T was charging me $6 a month for when I had them. So that would have been close to $1,200, over $1,200 for the year. So I'm saving what? Around $800 a year from going from AT&T that didn't want to help me out on when they switched my phone, did all that. Had somebody give me a comment that I should have read the letter that they sent me and to tell me that they were going to cut my service off from the 3G to the 5G. And, you know, probably true. I probably should have read the letter, but I've got a lot of things going on, so I can't read every little letter that comes in if it looks like it's not important to me. But I'm glad I didn't read that letter, because now I've got Mint Mobile and I've saved $800 a year. So I'm saving $800 this year, and I'll probably save $800 next year. Mint Mobile may go up, I don't know, maybe they go up $4 or $5 next year, but I'm sure AT&T is going to go up too. Now I understand Mint Mobile uses the same thing as the T-Mobile towers or the whatever it is. So, but anyway, they've been very good to me. I put a link down below so that you can click on it, and if you click on it and you sign up, I think it's called Refer a Friend, so you give me a little credit, and it doesn't cost you anything to give me the credit, and then I wind up saving a couple of dollars. So if you want to, click on the link that I'm going to put down here below, try it out, see what you think, and maybe you'll save $800. And even if you went up to the higher plan, the one that was 20 gigabytes, so I mean 10 gigabytes for $20, that's still what, 20 times 12, You got 240 bucks for the year, and I'm sure you're paying more than that for AT&T or some of the other T-Mobile or whatever. So give Mint Mobile a try and see what you think. So I'm saving you, hopefully saving you a few dollars here. So I'm going to stop this video right